And now we're turning to Storm Watch 12, Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman, where we here had really severe weather today.
Yeah, a lot of lightning, a lot of storms rolling through the region, but it made for quite a scene. This was taken from our Ashland weather cam, a time lapse, kind of sped up a bit, and you can see a beautiful rainbow there. This all happened. These storms rolled into the Rogue Valley as the sun set, so we saw a lot of rainbows in the Rogue Valley from Medford down through Ashland, and also some of those flashes of lightning as well. So we got some other cool time lapses and photos and videos that we've gotten from not only our weather cams, but also from our viewers. We always appreciate when you send weather photos and videos, and you can check those out on our Facebook page. Also, I've been sharing plenty on my Twitter as well, Matt Hoffman WX. Now, as far as radar goes, we just have some lingering shower activity. The lightning threat has ended, so that's some good news, but we're going to see these showers persist overnight tonight, and some of them could linger into the early morning hours of tomorrow. Here's a look at rainfall so far from the last 24 hours. It's varied quite a bit. We did finally see some measurable rain in Medford, only 2/100ths of an inch, but was definitely nice to see. Prospect picking up 4/10, just over 1/4 of an inch in Fort Jones, but there's been some areas that have seen much higher amounts, between 1/2 inch to an inch of rainfall, where some of those storms were kind of training over the same areas. And we'll see more opportunities for wet weather in the days ahead with showers and storms. Let's check out temperatures right now. 69 degrees in Medford. It's still 70 in Grants Pass, 61 in Lakeview. We're at 60 in Montague, and a cool 53 degrees in Brookings. Tonight, lingering showers possible, mild, down to 62 in Medford, 58 degrees in Wairika, and down to 50 in Klamath Falls. So through the rest of this week, we're going to continue to see pretty widespread thunderstorm chances in the region, mainly for inland areas. But tomorrow is going to be another day we're going to have to watch closely for the threat for maybe some isolated strong to even severe storms. And temperatures the rest of the week staying on the warm side, but temperatures will be cooling, not going to be as hot as what we saw today. We got into the 90s in many of our west side valleys, but we're looking at 80s through the rest of the week. Here's tomorrow in the Rogue Valley. We may see a brief shower early in the morning, but other than that, the afternoon is when we'll be watching for more showers and storms to fire up. Likely going to see quite a bit of lightning in the region. We'll see highs topping out around 87 in Medford, 77 in Lakeview and Mount Shasta, up to 80 in Klamath Falls, and a very cool day along the coast, 58 degrees in Brookings with marine layer clouds. Tomorrow, here's a look at the severe threat. Storms capable, a lot of lightning. Heavier downpours, we'll need to watch out, especially for burn scar areas of maybe some flash flooding. But 1 or 2 storms, especially in the darker green area along and east of the Cascades, could be severe with hail up to 1 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So here's Stormcast as we head into tomorrow afternoon. You can see those showers and storms firing up first on the east side, but also even on the west side. But some of the strongest storms work into the early evening hours into some of our west side valleys tomorrow evening, and then things will die down tomorrow night gradually. More thunderstorm chances, though, Thursday afternoon as well. So a very active stretch of weather continues. The coast, things are going to be getting milder and brighter this weekend, but winds will crank up into early next week. Northern California, more showers and thunderstorms likely. Quite a bit of lightning expected again tomorrow. For the basin, we'll continue to have those thunderstorm chances persisting through the rest of this week and even into this weekend as well. Highs mainly in the 70s later this week. The mountains rather stormy. Definitely keep an eye to the sky and be sure to keep an eye on our radar on KDRV.com. We got a great interactive radar there and on our Stormwatch 12 weather app. For the Rogue Valley, another stormy late afternoon, evening setting up for tomorrow. The chances for storms continue the next few days, but things look to get a little bit quieter, at least as we head through the weekend.